What's up, everyone? It's me, your Studio John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries. For today, we are going to do a reaction video for the Valentine's concert of Jerome Ebardome entitled Love Beyond Time. And this is for his performance of Let It Be Me. Yes, I'm so excited for this, guys. But before proceed, isa munang Happy Hearts Day sa inyong lahat, mga ka-Jeromantics. And of course, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Wow, I love the look of Jerome. Grabe, no? Nag-build talaga siya ng muscle, guys. Ooh, love it. It's an audience view. Very soothing. God, love the vocals, and of course, look at that look. I love the suit with the red polo inside. Such a dapper, yes. Very serenading vocal. Ay! Saan to ginanap, guys? You can comment down below. Hey! Love the vocals. Ay, mga ka-Jeromantics, oh. Ang mga mommies! Ganda ng runs, yung facing, and very soothing vocal talaga for Jerome. At talagang nagkalaman si Jerome, guys, no? Sabi nga sa isang comment, mamang-mama na siya. Hot daddy na si Jerome for today's video. Oh, 'di ba? Pumunta pa siya sa sulok ng stage para lang sino kaya nagse-selfie diyan? Sino-sino kasama niya dito, guys? You can comment down below. I love that. Nagpunas ng panyo, Pogi! Eh. Nagpapapirma ba? Oh, that is so sweet. Ganda ng boses, guys. Grabe, and very approachable. This is what we love about the Clones artists. Very approachable sila sa lahat ng kanilang mga fans. And talaga naman, they make us feel that they are singing for us. Ganon, the experience, right? That's why we love them more. Ang fresh ng Jerome. Akalain niya na ba Valentine's concert na siya? Parang nasa Reno lang ang atake ni Jerome for today's video. Pinupunasan ng panya. But I know the Elvis tradition yung towels, guys, no? And very professional. You can still hear the Elvis nuances. Hey! Hey! Oh my gosh! Love it! There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Ebardome singing Let It Be Me para sa Love Beyond Time concert. Oh my God. Grabe. First of all, I would like to commend the stylist of Jerome kasi sobrang dapper ng dating niya, no? Very, alam mo yung debonair. Oo. At saka, ang laki talaga na in-improve. Parang nagkalaman siya. Parang nagwo-workout na ba si Jerome, guys? May mga workout video ba siya? Comment down below. And of course the vocal, hindi it's never in question how he will sing and perform, and we already heard him singing tong Let It Be Me, at talaga naman iba rin yung live experience, do mga ka-Geromantics, yung mga live na nanood. You can comment down below and let me know the experience about Love Beyond Time concert. At nakita mo naman, very approachable, super iba yung experience na binibigay nila sa mga ka-Geromantics or the audience who's watching them. Plus, even if they're interacting, the singing vocal never changed. Very professional. It's so soothing. I love the nuances. And of course, that end part was really, really good. Do you have any other performance niya? Guys, Love Beyond Time concert, you can comment down below. Give me the link so we can watch it. I had fun watching it. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa ating reaction for today, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.